Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. I am Mrs. S.R. Katkar, subject biology, and today I am going to teach you about human dentition. Human dentition. There are two sets of teeth, and these sets are first one is milk set, which is also called as deciduous teeth. It is also called as temporary teeth because it is present at childhood only, and later on this teeth falls down and a new set, which is called as permanent set, is there. So second type is permanent teeth. Whenever the milk set of teeth is fall down, it is replaced by permanent set of teeth. These set of teeth are present beyond the childhood in adulthood. In both of these sets, there are four different types of teeth, and that's why a dentition is called as heterodont type. Hetero means different and dont means teeth. So there are four different kinds of teeth. First one is incisor, second one is canine, third one is premolars, and last one is molar. Now we are going with deep about all these types of teeth. First one, that is incisors. It is denoted or indicated by means of letter I, and this teeth is in anterior in position. Now see in this figure, the first larger teeth, they are incisors, and they are named as the central one, which are the largest one. They are called as central or medial incisor, and the teeth which is present at the side, it is called as lateral incisor. Now this teeth having a single root, and function of these teeth is cutting. So these teeth, they are useful for cutting the food. Second teeth is canine, which is denoted by letter C. It is anterolateral in position, and C, it is well developed in wild animals, and in this diagram the largest teeth, it is canine. Now in human beings, these canines are less pointed in nature. Here, the crown of these teeth is conical in shape, but it is less conical in case of human beings. This teeth also has a single teeth, and this teeth is useful for tearing of the food, and which is the necessity of wild animals. That's why it is well developed in wild animals. Now next type of teeth is molars. Now it is denoted by means of M, and this teeth is lateral in position. Here the crown is the square shaped, and it has five cusps. This teeth is useful for grinding and crushing the food, and they are shown in bluish color in this diagram. The last three teeth, they are the molars, and the last type is premolar, which is denoted by means of PM, and they are located in between canines and molars. These premolars, they are absent in milk set or in deciduous set of teeth, and they are present in case of the permanent set. They have single root, but the upper premolars having two roots, and their function is crushing and partly chewing of the food. So overall there are four types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Now see in this diagram, all these four types are seen clearly. The frontal one, they are the incisors and the two teeth which is present on upper and lower jaw at the center, they are called as central incisors. Two teeth or two incisors which are present at the side of these central incisors, they are called as lateral incisors. The single teeth which is present at the side of this lateral incisor on both the sides, there it is called as canine. Then after canine there are two teeth which are premolars. So premolars, they are named as first premolar and second premolar, and lastly there are three molars. They are also named as first molar, second molar and third molar. Third molar is also called as wisdom teeth. Now, whenever we are going to study the structure of teeth, it looks like this one. Teeth consist of two distinct parts, crown and root. But in between this crown and root, a shorter, smaller region is present which is called as neck. Crown, it is the outermost projection of the teeth which we observe from outside. So this is the whitish colored structure which is visible from outside. It is called as crown, and the structure which is embedded into the bony socket, it is called as root. Now it is fixed. We can't observe this root from outside. And in between this crown and neck, there is a shorter neck. Now the crown, it shows three different parts. The outermost whitish colored structure, it is called as enamel. Now enamel, it is the hardest tissue of our body and it is whitish in color. 96% minerals are present inside this enamel. Then second, below this enamel there is a dentine. So this dentine, it is actual part which is present between crown and the root. So it extends from crown to the root region. Now this dentine is followed by means of a pulp cavity. Inside the dentine there is a cavity, and this cavity is filled by means of a pulp, and that's why the name of this cavity is pulp cavity. This pulp cavity is also extended into the root region. So this pulp cavity and dentine, they are present in both the parts, that means in crown as well as in root region. Now this uh, teeth is connected to the socket, and it is connected by means of a substance called as cementum. So teeth is connected to the socket by means of a substance. This substance is called as cementum. This is the structure about the teeth. Now here, see the overall view of these teeth. Here, a row of teeth is shown along with their structure. Here, only one root is present. So, single root is present in case of incisors, canines and premolars. Only the premolars of upper jaw having two roots. So, this is about the internal structure of the teeth. Now, next part is dental formula. Whenever we are going to arrange the teeth according to their number and according to their shape, structure, the formula is obtained, this formula is called as dental formula. Now see the dental formula of milk set or deciduous teeth. In case of this deciduous teeth, see these are deciduous teeth or milk set of teeth where there are two incisors. Here, while considering the dental formula, the half part of either lower or upper jaw is considered. So two incisors they are present in half part of upper as well as half part of our lower jaw. Now, beside this incisor, there is only one canine. Then three, sorry, two molars in upper jaw and two molars in lower jaw. In case of milk set, the premolars are completely absent, and that's why the formula of deciduous teeth becomes 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2, and total number of teeth in half part of upper or lower jaw is 5, and in half part of both lower and half part of upper jaw becomes 10 teeth, and overall there are 20 teeth. So formula becomes 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20 teeth. In milk set there are only 20 teeth. Now see the dental formula of permanent set of teeth. This is the diagram showing the permanent teeth. In the half part of upper jaw there are two incisors. Now, after that, there is one canine. Then, two premolars, and lastly, there are three molars. So, the dental formula becomes 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 in half part of upper jaw. So, total number of teeth in upper jaw becomes 2 plus 2 incisors, 1 plus 1 canines, 2 plus 2 premolars, and 3 plus 3 molars. And overall formula becomes 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4, that is 32 teeth are present in permanent set in case of human beings. Now, see, this is about the eruption and shedding period of the teeth in case of the deciduous or milk set of teeth in human beings. At the age of 8 to 12 months, the eruption of the first incisor, which is called as central incisor, takes place, and it shed off at the age of 6 to 7 years. Then the lateral incisor is erupted in the age of 9 to 13 years, 13 months, and it is shedding off at the age of 7 to 8 years. The canines, they erupt at the age of 16 to 22 months, and they shed off at the age of 10 to 12 years. There are no premolars in milk set, and only two molars are there, first molar and second molar. So the first molar erupt at the age of 13 to 19 months, and it shed off at the age of 9 to 11 years. And the last molar, that is second molar, it is erupted at the age of 25 to 33 months, and it shed off at the age of 10 to 12 years. Now, there is slight difference in the eruption age as well as the shedding of period of these teeth in upper jaw as well as in lower jaw. See, the second molar, it erupts at the age of 23 to 31 months. That means they erupt firstly prior to that of the second molars of upper jaw. Now, the shedding of period of all is same, but only the eruption period of all these teeth is different. Firstly, the teeth of lower jaw are erupted and then the teeth of upper jaw are there. So thank you for listening me. Thank you.